All right, let's try to figure out whether or not the following headlines are correct. And if they are incorrect, let's figure out why. Let's have the first one. Huge fire in Manila guts 20 houses. This is correct. Why is that? Well, it's short, it's factual, and it uses an active verb, gut. And it also gives a number, 20. That means it's key concrete fact. Huge here could be a bit subjective, but it is acceptable. Why? Because it supplies the concrete fact, 20. You see, there is already 20 there, and that huge there supplies that number. However, we could actually make a tighter version of that. We could just say, fire guts 20 houses in Manila. Then again, it depends on the space that is provided for this headline. Okay, let's proceed to the second one. A terrible and destructive fire ravages the entire neighborhood of Manila last night. Well, that is incorrect. First of all, it's lengthy, very wordy and repetitive. Very terrible plus destructive. It contains opinion. Yes, it does. When you say terrible, that's opinionated. What's terrible to me might not be terrible to you. So that has a bias already. And is vague. It says entire neighborhood of Manila. Which neighborhood is it? We are writing in news. So better yet, give us an exact place. Which in Manila are we talking about? Headlines should avoid adjectives that add emotion and should be specific. That's one thing we need to remember. So if we fix this, we remove the opinion and add facts. So we can say, fire razes homes in Manila neighborhood. So we added the number, the time, if we know. Number 3, Manila blaze leaves 20 families homeless. This one is correct. Why? It's clear, it's short, it focuses on human impact, the 20 families. It uses an active verb, leaves. It's a good headline because it tells the reader the consequence immediately. Okay, what's the consequence? Leaving the families homeless. They are homeless now. Okay, next, the fourth one. People got shocked when a fire happened in Manila. It is short, but it's incorrect. It's informal and vague. Like, people got shocked. Not a factual or specific. No numbers, no place detail beyond Manila as a city. So there is also poor grammar for headline style. It reads like a sentence in a narrative, not a news headline. You know what a narrative is, right? So, like in creative writing, but it's still a dull one. So if we are gonna fix that, make it factual and concise, like fire displaces families in Manila. Or include numbers. Fire in Manila displaces 20 families. That is more concrete. The last one, C. Fire razes 20 houses in Manila. This one is correct. You know, it's short, it's brief, very concise, and most of all, it is factual. So we have an active verb, razes. Specific number, 20. Clear location, Manila. This is a classic headline form. This is strong, no fluff. It was a textbook headline.